I just found out there is a competition of talent hunt. Are you guys in?
Welcome everyone. You are our first contestant. If you win, you can win a grand amount of rupees 10 lakh. But remember, once you entered the contest, you can't leave.
Just stop explaining and start the contest. We all are ready.
Remember, you have only 30 minutes to answer the riddle.
Just start, bro.
So here is the first question. An unidentified man in the local town kidnaps people and demands them to take one of the two pills that he offers. The pills looks identical, but the killer claims that only one is poisonous. When a victim chooses a pill, the killer takes the other one. The victims always die after swallowing the tablet with water. How does the killer manage to get the same pill every time?
Is there any clue with the glass of water?
My gut says there is something to do with the water.
Got it. Actually, there's nothing to be done with the pill. The poison was in the glass of water. Am I correct?
Well done, you are right. So you all passed the first round. Let's meet again tomorrow, same place, same time. And remember the rules. Don't leave.
Hello? Guys, you know what? I'm not going to participate in that bullshit competition from tomorrow. As my quizzes are going to start from tomorrow and even end semester is coming soon. So I'm not going to participate in that contest.
Yeah, that's right. I think I'll also have to leave and study.
Wait, guys, don't go. Don't we have the opportunity to win 10 lakh rupees?
Yes, but what about the organizer? He clearly warned us of the consequences. He told us not to leave in between like that.
You guys really believe in him? Lol. He's just a fraud. He's wasting your time. These kind of people, they roam on internet, in the web, in order to waste the people's precious time. Don't believe in him, guys.
Okay. As you have already decided, I can't stop you.
Okay, at last, it's your call, guys. We will meet soon.
Are you guys ready for the second round?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are ready. Let's start it.
But where are the other two? Call them first.
Sir, they'll not come. They have more important work to do. Just start the second round.
They will face the consequences. Never mind. Okay, here is the second question. This is a very old painting, nearly around 16th century, but it's a fake one. Say why it's fake.
Are you serious? How on earth can we know it?
Exactly. That seems so impossible.
So you thought getting rupees 10 lakh was easy? And the questions are based upon your interest.
The time is really running out. Okay, tell me the fields you selected in the form.
Only astronomy and video games. Nothing regarding a painting.
Okay, then it must be something to do with astronomy, I guess.
Hurry up, you have only 5 minutes left. Now 2 minutes more.
The Van Buren supernova. The Van Buren supernova. So-called exploding star. It only appeared in the sky in 1850.
And how could it be painted in the 16th century?
Well done. Meet you tomorrow for the final round. And there is a surprise for you tomorrow.
I figure it out. It's a fake.
Good morning, uncle. What? What the hell?
Told you, they will face the consequences. If you win today, along with rupees 10 lakh, you would win the life of your friends.
What the hell? This is bullshit. Just let our friends go. We don't need any prizes.
And what if we are not able to answer the question?
Then your friends go bye bye. You're left with no choices. Here is the final question. Few days ago, a murder occurred. A person was shot from a distance. During investigation, it was found out that the gun used was this. Here are his two brothers who are the suspect. Find the murderer.
Wait, that's it?
We have only one chance, and it's either of the two. But with this much information, how could we get it? And a friend's life is at stake, yeah.
Nothing much than this. This is sufficient.
Come on, think, we don't have enough time.
Seems as if it has to do something with this gun. Do you have any idea about it?
It's a sniper, but a very light one. It has huge recoil. The person using it should be a nice aimer.
Faster, the time is going to end. One more minute, hurry up. 10, 9, 8, 7.
As it has been shot from a great distance, so it would definitely require an ice vision. And if the person with the specs tries to shoot it, he may even break his specs due to the higher recoil. So he can't be the culprit, it must be the other one.
The person without the glasses. He is the murderer.
Bravo! You just won rupees 10 lakh. And don't worry about your friends. They will be freed soon.
Wait a minute. You look like I've seen you somewhere. Who are you?
Haven't you really identified me? I am you. The incidents in the questions will happen to you in future, and you will witness them all.